Hi there. Many of us got started in model railroading with a ready-to-run train set, myself included. And today, I'm going to be running a couple new train sets from MTH. They include an F3 locomotive and some really nice ready-to-run freight cars. They also offer the train set in a version that includes the MTH Proto-Sound 3.0 sound system, which I'll show you a little later. Let me show you how easy it is to set this train set up. The train set includes a 36-inch by 45-inch oval of MTH reel tracks. This track has nickel-silver rail, and it has nicely detailed plastic ties and a plastic roadbed. This track goes together very easily. You just need to make sure that the roadbed tabs and the rail joiners are secure. And now let me show you how to connect the power supply. The standard set comes with this DC 100 power pack. It's very easy to connect. Simply take the cord that runs to the wall power supply, plug that in there, and you take this other connection right here that runs from the terminal section of track, and you plug it in there. The terminal track section also includes a re-railer, which makes it really easy to put cars back on track. What's even more fun is the train set comes in a version with the MTH Digital Command System and the Proto-Sound 3.0 sound system. That set includes a wireless controller and this infrared wireless receiver. This set is also easy to set up. Two wires from the terminal track connect to the infrared receiver in these screw terminals, and the wall power pack plugs right in here. And we have sound. The handheld remote allows you to control many of the sound effects of the model, including the bell, the horn, and there's even some crew dialogue. Also, as you advance the throttle using the handheld, you'll hear the diesel engine sounds rev up. These MTH ready-to-run train sets are a great way to get started in the hobby of model railroading. For a complete review, pick up a September issue of Model Railroader magazine.